Good day, everyone, and welcome to a 5-minute Fastman best practice. I'm Brian Lapointe, and today I'm going to talk about how the Fastman Extract lets you quickly share content, metadata, and taxonomy information with other systems and teams. As many organizations have standardized on the OpenText Extended ECM platform as their system of record, you'll need the ability to easily export a wide variety of content, metadata, and taxonomy information from Extended ECM in just a few clicks. The intent of today's best practice video is to illustrate just a simple solution to an otherwise highly manual, time-consuming operation by providing some useful functionality. And with that said, no further ado, why don't we just get started real quickly here. Okay, the Fastman Extract is a client-driven application that runs from your PC and communicates with Extended ECM via API calls. So there's no software server requirements or installation. It's all client side, and it works happily with whether you have an on-premise deployment or you're in the OT cloud or any cloud deployment, for that matter of fact, of Extended ECM. What it does, it initiates from a folder object ID, and it gives you the option to include the subfolders. You can then select any network map drive essentially as your destination. And this can include also storage for other cloud storage systems such as SharePoint, OneDrive, Box, Dropbox, etc. Whatever you're using to collaborate with others or a destination that can be mapped to is what it comes down to. Recently, we've added in the ability to extract filtered results by search slice. This is very helpful and interesting and handy when you want to target specific content in your Extended ECM. The slice is a concept that is simply a data collection that one can search against, and it's defined by a template that you already configured in Extended ECM. So you set that up and use the search engine and content suite Extended ECM, and then you can basically extract on that. So it really broadens the scenarios of the content that you can target, which is very nice. Also, we can extract, essentially document versions, and we can also get the metadata, such as category and attributes. Plus, we have the ability to get an HTML index file for simple navigation and reference. Okay, so that's the Extract client right there. How does it work? Well, in this example, I exported a folder structure and its contents to a Windows drive. Okay, it took 28 seconds to export 21 folders and 38 documents. And you can see where I used the folder object ID from Content Suite. I entered it into the Fastman Extract application. And when you run the job, the Extract application nicely displays the audit logs, and it calculates the performance metrics that you're looking for. In comparison, you can see in this little diagram right here, a screenshot, the same folder structure from Content Suite in Windows Explorer, along with the metadata and HTML index files. It's very simple, and it's really designed for a business analyst to perform this, but anyone can use it, quite frankly. For larger jobs, our clients will run the Fastman Extract after business hours, tuned for performance, and you can see some metrics here. We're able to get quite a bit of content out of the system overnight. So it really comes down to how your environment's set up, but Fastman's here to work with you to get the maximum as possible. Okay, just a few more. As I previously mentioned, the Extract gives you the metadata in a useful format, along with a helpful HTML index file that lets you quickly, it lets you quickly navigate your Extract content for that completeness and any quality control that you wanted to do. So it's very handy. Our customers find this helpful when they're sharing, let's say they're sharing client file records that they have in their system with their third-party custodians that need them. Or I have folks asking, they want to do personal PII scanning on the content, and they have a tool for doing that, and they want to just have select content quickly to be able to verify that there's no incorrect information being stored in the Content Suite system. Very useful for that use case. And one more thing worth mentioning is that the extracted documents are also named using the Content Suite object name. Okay, that's very important. This is really relevant when you're sharing content with third parties, because that's basically that's what they're going to most recognize and so forth. So it's very smart in how it's been designed. This comes from having customers use it and the feedback that we get, and it just makes it better for the next use cases that we have. Okay, lastly, Fastman is honored to be working with such a distinguished group of extended ECM customers worldwide. It's a very large group and growing. We've been an OpenText partner since 2006. We have offices in Australia, Singapore, and also in Southern California, where I reside, along with some of the other colleagues of mine. And in addition to the extract, many people were well known for our permissions manager solution, also our bulk data manager, which is great for updating existing content within Content Suite Extended ECM, and of course our DocuSign e-signature expertise, where we have a great connector, we're a partner, we can help you with anything to do with e-signature. So please reach out to Fastman for any of your extended ECM needs. All the best and have a great day. Thank you.